If you still cannot speak English after years, this video is for you. Give me just 3 minutes, and I promise you will start speaking English today. No grammar, no pressure. Just simple English. Let's go.
Hello, my name is Ayla. I am from United States, and I am your English teacher. If you want to speak English fluently, but you feel shy or confused, then this channel is for you. I will teach you simple English step by step in a very easy way. No grammar stress, no fear, just real English. If you watch my videos daily and practice with me, you will start speaking English very fast. This is your chance to change your life. New confidence, new opportunities, new future. So do not miss this journey. Subscribe now and join Ayla English Academy. And comment, I am ready to speak English. Let's start. Perfect grammar. You just need simple sentences. Repeat after me. Do not think, just speak. Hello. Hi. How are you? I am fine. Good. Now next. What is your name? My name is. Where are you from? I am from Canada, USA. You see, you are already speaking English. Now, let's make it real. Say this. I want to learn English. I am learning every day. I am not afraid. I can speak English. Again, louder. I can speak English. That is it. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. Imagine you go to a shop. Say this. Hello. How much is this? This is expensive. Give me this. Simple. You do not need big words, just clear words. Now, comment below, I can speak English. Yes, type it right now. If you comment, you are serious. Listen, if you practice just 10 minutes daily, your life will change. New opportunities, new confidence, new future. Subscribe now and join this 30-day journey. Your English starts today. Do not wait, start now. See you in day 2.